Hello everyone! So if you want to boost your gaming experience on your Xiaomi 14T Pro, first of all make sure that you have enough free space, because sometimes if the space is low, gaming experience might be much worth. First let's put our phone to do not disturb mode, so press the volume down. Now in this pop-up window press this moon sign, and it means the silent mode is active and no notifications will interrupt our game. Also, do not forget to use this bell sign, which put our phone into silent mode. Alright, now let's go to security application. Scroll to the very bottom to open up your toolbox and choose your game turbo mode. Alright, so we've got our game turbo and we can see all of our games here. So a lot of games loaded through game turbo have a higher CPU and basically work more stable. Also, don't forget to take breaks, because yes, it is important. Give your device a chance to cool down to prevent overheating and maintain game performance. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.